Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my stop on the Stretch the Sketch anniversary hop. So it's not just Stretch the Sketch Sunday today, it is the 4th anniversary. So we're doing something a little special. What we're doing is we're going back and picking past sketches and then scrap lifting someone who did the sketch but not in their size. So the premise behind Stretch the Sketch originally is we get a sketch, we can do anything, either stretch it, shrink it, change it, swap it. It can't be 12 by 12. So I went back and picked this sketch by Rhonda Palazzari and My Mind's Eye from 2013. It's an old sketch, but they used this sketch for Stretch the Sketch in August of 2020. And I am scrap lifting MK doing it, which it looks like she did like a 8.5 by 11. That's here. So I'm gonna do my traveler's notebook size. So that is what we're doing. So I can't do the same that she did. It can't be 12 by 12, so it has to be a different size. But it looks like hers is an 8.5 by 11. I can't quite tell, but I think that's what it is. It looks like that, or it might be smaller, but it's definitely not. It could be traveler's. I don't really know what size hers is. But I'm doing traveler's notebook size. So I am doing my 52 favorites style for, what year was this? Was this 2021? Yes. Oh, this is just last year. Look at me working on things from last year. I've gotten into March so far for this. So we're getting there. I do have some other layouts done after that, so it's kind of sporadic. But I have week, is this a week 11? Sure is. Week 11 of March, I did Stretch the Sketch for that one other time. I do a lot of my Stretch the Sketch in my Traveler's Notebook or my Life Crafted album. So I did a Stretch the Sketch for the first part of week 11. And this was a week in March where, look at, we're outside in the park, and then 2 days later, snowstorm. So we're going to work on this page today, and then I'm going to have a pocket page for it also. But unless I have time, I won't show that in the video, because I'm also, of course, running behind when I'm doing this. So I cut down a piece of white cardstock for this to go right here, which apparently I was going to use this because I put it on the back. I guess I still could. I'm not sure why I stuck that paper in there, but I guess I could use it. It would work, except for the fact that I didn't. So what I love about, I didn't realize I did that. What I love about the Citrus Twist albums is they have these awesome sticky clear ring holders that you can just put whatever you want on. And normally I sandwich paper over it, but do you see that I left the clear? So it's not gonna work very well. So I kind of just wasted that piece of paper because I wanted to stamp on it, but I can't. Maybe I won't be stamping. Maybe that'll make my decision for me. Okay, so anywho, I like how MK did the chipboard pieces around her matting. So I was gonna do that, but I was gonna stamp. But maybe since now, I don't want to waste this piece of paper and put a white piece of cardstock over it, so we might as well just use that. Now let's get this book out of the way. And it'll be hard to stamp when I have this underneath, so I should have thought about that. This is scrapbooking with Jacqie. So yeah, I guess we won't be doing that. We won't be stamping. So I will use chipboard pieces. So I have Citrus Twist kits that I was gonna play with. So I think I'm gonna map my photo on this gray pocket card. I'll trim it down, and then I'm gonna have this pocket card be the other one. So if I want some of that orange to show a little more, I'll do that. And then I'll put phrase boxes around it. It's too big. I'm starting to rethink my whole idea here. I could still do that and actually put the phrase things over that actually would be kind of cute. Okay, So I'm going to mat that. I'll trim things down, get them to the size I want them. And I was going to put a pattern right here. I was going to do this with the white cardstock, but now that I'm not using the white cardstock, I don't know what pattern I want to use. I could do this and just do a thin strip, or I could get some washi tape out. That could work. Alright. We'll do a thin strip. And I like that she has like that fringe border as well. So I kind of want to incorporate a fringe somewhere. Maybe we'll fringe it in the orange. But we'll just do a strip of washi. Instead of a piece of pattern paper. And I'm sorry for the noise. I have a dehumidifier on because I'm in the basement. And now that it's finally hot, and then I have a loud child. Yeah, that'll work. And then we can put the chipboard pieces around here. And I kind of want to do some fringe like she had. She's got lots of things, but because I'm on this smaller format, I will not be doing all those lots of things. But doing the fringe edge would be kind of fun, or if I can find something similar to the fringe edge would be kind of fun. So let me look through and see what I got and make sure I have enough little chipboard pieces that I can frame this out. I probably won't end up doing the fringe edge just because I don't have space for it, and we'll probably put a title down here, maybe. Yeah. All right, so I found a bunch of chipboard pieces. I glued down my photo and matted it and glued down this pocket card, and I've got enough chipboard pieces. And then this is a puffy. So this one says having a nice day, happy little moment. It says wander, living the dream, and I moved it so it would point to him, adventure. And then I did cut some fringe that I'm gonna tuck at the bottom of my photo. And then I'm going to put this documented on this day kind of right here at the bottom of the photo because there's space for it. And then in my pocket card, I will kind of write about how much snow we got and that it was 2 days later, etc. But then I thought it would be good too to sprinkle around some of these, they're puffy words, but these like little bursts that kind of look like snowflakes. And since I'm doing a very springy-esque colored page, it doesn't really match for snow. So get the fringe down, and then we'll get this so that way it kind of looks like it wraps around the photo a little bit. But then in those pocket cards, or in the pocket page, I will have it all documented, like details about it. So this will be, and since this is going to be loose and not in a page protector, I want to make sure this stuff gets glued down well. And then let's sprinkle some of these around, and then this page will be done. This not hard. It's not as, like I said, elaborate as MK's, but I really like the effect, and I'm glad I grabbed some of the things from hers that I did. Their puffies actually have some stick to them. But yeah, I'm just going to sprinkle some of these little asterisk snowflake thingies around. Another green one. There's a red. I don't really want red. I'm gonna do this dark bluish purple one. And then we need this yellow one, I think. Yeah. I don't like when I make it like this. I put it down accidentally, like the same plane. Does that make sense? On the same plane as that other one. We'll stick it like right there. There's room. Okay. So that's it for that. And here. We've got a little time. Let's work on the card, shall we? So we've got 2 other photos just of the snow, and let's see, what size are these? 1, 2 and 1/8 by 3 and 1/8. Oh, nope. 3 1/2. Just to bring this color to the next page. This little chipboard says it's all good. And then I think we'll use some of these extra asterisk things to seeing what some of these tickets and things say, and if they have enough space that I can document. Bring some of that pink over here. Perfect. I can put the date and write about the snowstorm. Along with that little heart. Perfect. And then I'll journal about the snowstorm right there. And then they kind of, see how that coordinates? Beautiful. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who's playing with Stretch the Sketch and see who they scrap lifted from a past sketch, and see what they did. And we'll check you next time. Bye.